Hello, friends. Hope all of you are doing well and staying safe. So, yes, here's my Ninja 1000 SX. It's a brand new bike. So, I'm going to do a quick DIY today, and the DIY is about tires, right? So, yes, these are tubeless tires, but we certainly want to ensure they stay puncture free. So I'm going here and installing FormulaX in my bike. As usual, I do this in every bike of mine, so because I do not want punctures on the go. So yeah, we'll go ahead quickly and unbox this and go ahead with the installation process. All right, so what's in the box? Okay, so as usual, my friends, so there are two pouches. One is going to be for the rear tire. It is 500 ml, but I did check with FormulaX. They said since the Ninja 1000, the tire size is 190 uh, you know size, so it needs 550 ml. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow 50 ml from the front tire packet and ensure that the back tire gets adequate liquid, right? So that's the plan. So yes, what's in the box? Yes, as usual. So this I normally do not use because I'm able to squeeze out the liquid easily. So the first process is to use the tire pin deflator and get the air out of the tires, right? So I'm going to do that quickly and get the air out of the tires to prep the tire for FormulaX installation. Fairly simple. So all the tools are provided here. So okay, just ensure the wall pin doesn't fly off. That's about it. Otherwise you're good. You need to fully deflate the tire. And once you do that, you're going to install the FormulaX into the tire and put the wall pin back, and then pump in the air as per the recommended tire pressure. So we're going to open up the one which is for the front tire. Okay, so please ensure you shake this really well because it's got these rubber particles inside. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put about precisely close to 300 ml. That should be good for the front tire. Alright, so let me pump the air out of the system. Rather, the tube here. Okay, here we go, and I connect it to the wall pin. It's a bit tricky because it's got a large disc, this bike. Okay, here we go. Oh. So I'm going to go ahead and retain about 50 ml for the rear tire extra, right? That's the plan. So I think that's about it. Be careful when you pull this out. Okay, so let me get a clean cloth, wipe the residue out. I'm going to put the wall pin back and fill in the air, right? Okay. So the recommended tire pressure is 36 for the rear wheel. So let me go ahead and fill in 36, right? Let me do 35. Okay, because I do not want to run out of charge on my MI charger, as I need to fill air in the rear tire, which is going to need a lot of juice, right? So 35, there we go. So meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and deflate the rear tire. I'm not sure which position the valve is sitting. Oh yes, it's perfect. So it's sitting perfectly in the 6 o'clock position, so I can just do it. Okay, let me deflate. So I need to fill, as per recommendation, I need to fill about 550 ml of fluid into this. Okay, that's done. Let me go ahead and use up the 50 ml from here and then open up the new one. I hope this is 50, because rear tire is very crucial, so I do not want to compromise on the quantity of liquid what would go into the rear tire. Just want to make sure that I fill in the right amount of fluid into the rear tire. So shake it up nicely. To connect this back, need to be really quick, because I need to run in as well. After installing this, you need to run the bike under 40 kmph for about 10 kilometers, my friends. So I need to, once I do this, I need to fill air in this tire as well, and then quickly put on my helmet and go for a ride. I think it's getting stuck. So this is why they give the pin, right? They give a pin in the kit. See, it's stuck. So they give a small pin in this kit to clear that blockage. So it's a normal process, right? So it can happen. So nothing like a problem or whatever, right? So you need to do this. And you can fill it again. See, there it goes. It's causing some blockages today. Not sure why. I've never used this pin so long, so many times. Not sure what's going on, but there's no blockage here as such. Okay, there it goes. Okay, we're done. We installed about 550 ml in the rear tire. Okay, good. Excellent. So we're going to put back the ball pin now. And rear tire recommended tire pressure is about 42, 36 and 42. So I'm going to fill at least 40, if not 42. There it goes. Let's see what's the tire pressure in the front. Okay, it's 31. I think I'll stop, otherwise I might not have enough juice in the battery to fill for the rear tire. That's the reason. I hope I can fill at least 40 in the rear, if not more, because it's a big tire, guys. It's an empty tire, so I'll let all this be aside and I'm going to take a spin. Let me go ahead, get my gear and come back. So we're going to run the bike now for 10 kilometers under 40 kilometers per hour, and the process of installation completes. So we'll just do that and come back. Alright, so we're done with the installation process, and soon after installing the liquid into the tires, I've ridden the bike for about 10 kilometers, and all of that was under 40 kilometers per hour as outlined in the installation manual procedure. So yeah, so this is the procedure, and the gel basically forms a layer in the repairable area only, not in the non-repairable area. So that is done, my friends. So, and that completes the installation process of FormulaX on my Ninja 1000 SX. So yeah, so let me know any your thoughts and suggestions or any queries in the comment section. As always, happy to clarify, happy to answer to best of my knowledge. Thank you so much, and do take care of yourselves and stay safe. Thank you.